Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to boost CPU and processor speed with two quick options. First thing we're going to do is click the Windows key and search in Power and Sleep Settings. Now what you're going to do is open up this and click Additional Power Settings up here. And make sure, sometimes this can be hidden, so click Show Additional Plans and click High Performance. Turn that on. Now, we're not done yet. We're going to click Change Plan Settings. Change Advanced Power Settings right over here. And a lot of things will be popped up. What you want to click is Processor Power Management. Click this little plus beside it to pull it down. And now, minimum processor state should be 0%. System cooling policy should be active. And maximum processor state should be 100. If it isn't, just click it and change it up to 0. Click Apply and OK. Now, that is the first tip done. Now, onto the last option I'll be covering in this video to help speed up your processor and CPU speed. What you're going to do is click Windows R and then write in msconfig like I have down here. Click OK. And now, there are a lot of different options here, like General, Services, Startup, but for now, we'll click Boot. Now you want to click Advanced Options right around here, and check this box up here, and change this 1 to your max number, the highest number, -4, and you want to just going to click OK. Now click Apply, OK. This option will pop up. You can restart immediately, but you can also exit without restarting, which is what I'm going to do so I can keep recording this video. Exit without restart. Now, restart your PC after doing both of these tips and see how much faster your PC will run in game and just looking up stuff on Google. Thanks for watching, and it'd be well appreciated if you like and subscribe.